Antonio. Second event, Rasta Terry versus Antonio. 7-8 stop.
Yeah. Second place.
Oh, who's second place?
Score
One of the boys
9 to 20.
What's your name?
Winner is Ajay. Like to call it Ajay. Give Ajay a round of applause. Winner of event number 1.
How many minutes were that?
No, I don't know.
Somebody has run 4 minutes.
Anwar.
Anwar, good.
Winner of the first event, Ricky versus Ajay. Winner is Ajay. Give him a round of applause. Member from the Guyana Cancer Foundation. The president of the Guyana Cancer Foundation.
Next.
Winner of the second event, the best race for the day. Ricky versus Antonio, 48.50. Winner is Antonio for the fastest time. 50.
Rent the board. Rent the board. Rent the board.
Trophy being presented by the president of the Guyana Cancer Foundation, Madam Bibi Hassan. Give her a round of applause. Thank you for being here at the Guyana National Stadium. The third event was a walkover, making Naresh the winner. Where is Naresh?
Naresh. So, I'll explain for the last two races. Who's this?
The fourth event, Aaron versus Anwar. The winner is Anwar. Give Anwar a round of applause.
Anwar would receive the second fastest time trophy today.
And Anwar got the second fastest 50. Give him a big round of applause.
Well done, Anwar.
The Guyana National Stadium, courtesy of Death Squad. The president of the Guyana Cancer Foundation, Madam Bibi Hassan, is making the presentation. And the winner of the fifth event is Aki versus Super. Winner is Aki.
Yeah, he's Jamaican. Pharmacy Sean versus Ducky.
And the winner of the sixth event, Pharmacist Sean versus Ducky. And the winner is Pharmacist Sean. Give him a round of applause.
Can I borrow your mic after?
Winner of the seventh event, Robin versus Butcher. Winner is Robin. Give him a round of applause. Robin.
Pick up yourself, boy. You want to start
all the way from the interior. All the way from the interior. From St. Colbert.
Yeah, I'll do that.
We'd like to call on the winner for the eighth event, Dentist versus Chowman Man, and the winner is Chowman Man. Give him a round of applause.
I tell all y'all in the same group, make sure y'all do the names. What's that?
Today's event is sponsored by Extreme Construction Inc., Barden Construction Services, Express Engineering Services, sponsored by United Pharmacare Caribbean Inc., Tony's Construction Services, H&R Investment, Uprising Bird Club.
Can I use your mic, please? All right, gentlemen, ladies, this concludes the trophy presentation for the board tournament. On behalf of the members of that squad, I would like to say thank you very much to everyone for being here, especially Madam from the Cancer Organization, Foundation, right? Cancer Foundation, I humbly apologize. At this moment, there's not much we can do here now other than do the presentation of the contribution to the foundation, and we would like to, just hear something from Madam what she thinks of our little, board racing club.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Bibi Saeed Akhtar Hassan, President and founder of Guyana Cancer Foundation. We are located at 351 East Street, North Commisburg, opposite GPAC Ambulance Park. I'm very thrilled to be here today. I actually never went to a board race, and when this guy called me, I only Friday night I was like investigating what is it and stuff like that, and I'm so happy to be here today, and I want to thank each and every one of you for suggesting Guyana Cancer Foundation to be
Partner.
a partner for this donation. We normally do free screening with Dr. Balwan Singh's hospital. We have started as from tomorrow. The First Lady of Guyana, Mrs. Ira Ali, she just made a contribution of $250,000 during our last week tree wrapping exercise on Main Street. If you go through Main Street, you would see the avenue. We normally do tree wrapping exercise. Well, we use the route this year because our breast cancer walk will be from the Seawall Bandstand along Main Street Avenue up to Bank of Guyana and then back to the Seawall Bandstand on the 23rd of October at 6 a.m. in the morning. Music will be provided by the police force band. I'm looking forward to seeing every one of you to come and support our breast cancer.
Yeah.
And breast cancer doesn't discriminate. Early detection helps save lives. Thank you.
These sharks.
I just want to say that the following persons have made this possible for $20,000. Sponsored by Extreme Construction Incorporated, Barden Construction Services, Express Engineering Services, United Pharmacare Caribbean Inc., Tony's Construction Services, HR Investment, Uprising Board Club. I want to thank you very much, Mr. Ryan Boodoo, and the rest of the guys. Closing remark, Mr. Ryan Boodoo.
I just want to say thank you guys for being here, Miss Libby. I'd like to thank everyone who supported this event, and God bless, man. Especially the board racing clubs, man. You guys are doing a phenomenal job, and I'm looking forward for bigger and better things in the future. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you for the receipt, but if you get more pink shirts, we're going to be happy to receive. All right, thank you very much, gentlemen. It was a beautiful day. I thank you very much.
I said thanks.
All right, the oldest veteran here at the Guyana National Stadium, October 2022. What do you think about this cancer awareness initiative? That squad has donated $450,000 liquid cash towards the Guyana Cancer Foundation. What do you think about this initiative?
Very nice something.
What's the atmosphere like?
Fine.
How was the food today?
Fine.
What advice would you give to the persons who are board races and who lost? What word of encouragement would you give them?
To try and get better the next time.
How do you strike a bird?
Walking all in the morning.
You know, a guy gets 3 birds, right? His libido, his bird, his wife, and the bird in the cage. Which one do you prefer?
The bird in the cage.
You don't do it. We plan to change it, but we can't. You can't.
In Guyana. Also, my wish, I've been advocating to the government to have a low cost radiation therapy center because when to do radiation therapy,
you don't want trouble it now.
It's so costly that women are so depressed that when they go to Cancer Institute, the bill is like from 500,000 to 1.4 million, and sometimes people can't afford. The government do give you $200,000 towards that, but still it cannot do for this treatment. So I've been advocating for the last 2 years to His Excellency to have a low-cost radiation therapy center, so patients can have a choice. They can either go to Cancer Institute of Ghana or to the other radiation therapy center. Thank you very much.
We'll have a presentation coming up, but I would like to ask those persons attired in pink to stand in the back. Persons who are dressed in pink. Dead squad members.
Let's go. I take in the center.
Gentlemen, among the cancers, lung cancer is #1 killer for the cancer group.
Come, dead squad.
Lung cancer,
and that caused by smoking.
Across the globe is the most prevalent cancer, but in Guyana, the highest cancer, highest incidence of cancer is breast cancer.
John,
then you have cervical cancer, prostate cancer, and then you also have childhood cancer, which is like leukemia. I have
Come, Karim.
one
Yeah, hold each other.
12-year girl
Come,
is
come.
in our survivors group. She has leukemia.
John, come now.
All right, this is the fourth of its kind presentation of Death Squad. In the other three events, we have made donations over $100,000 each to help victims who were burnt, persons to rebuild their homes, persons who need surgery. And today our fourth biggest event at the Guyana National Stadium. What is befitting, this is the October Pinktober month, and we have Miss Bibi Hassan, the president of the Guyana Cancer Foundation. I'm very impressed with the tree wrapping exercise and your walks and your running and so on. But today, Death Squad has generated $420,000. Give Death Squad members a round of applause. And we would like to present that liquid cash towards the Guyana Cancer Foundation.
Yeah.
Liquid cash, that's how we roll. Give her a round of applause. Thank you very much.